Now, all of you see here, in the previous videos, I have told you about the SI unit and their standard definitions. It's clear. You know that there are 7 fundamental quantities and 2 supplementary quantities. This is the basis of whole unit system. पूरी यूनिट सिस्टम का बेसिस क्या है? यही 7 यूनिट्स हैं. Now, what are the fundamental quantities that you know? Length, then mass, then time, then temperature, electric current, luminous intensity, then amount of substance, these are the 7 fundamental quantities. There are 2 supplementary quantities also, that angle and solid angle. Solid angle. In the previous 3 videos, I have explained their units, their SI units. It's clear what is the SI unit? About that I have explained. Now see here, what are their SI units? You can see length SI unit is, what is the SI unit of length? Who can tell? Meter.
Meter.
It is kilogram. Now all of you turn off your audio because it creates disturbance. Then here time, second. There are various other units also of these quantities. इस quantities की, इन quantities की और भी बहुत सारी units हैं. But the SI unit is only this. Temperature, Kelvin. Amount of electric current, ampere. Luminous intensity, candela. Amount of substance, mole. Then in angle and solid angle, units are radian and it is called steradian. Steradian. It is radian and steradian. Now see here. Now I am going to tell you the symbols of these units. It's clear. We will use certain symbols in dimensional analysis. And these symbols are of the units. For example, the unit of length, it is represented by the symbol capital L. Unit of length is represented by this symbol. Unit of mass is represented by capital M. Unit of time is represented by capital T. It's clear. These are the symbols of unit. Unit of temperature, it is denoted by theta or K. You can use theta or K. Then unit of electric current, it is denoted by the symbol capital A. Here candela, it is CD. Here it is mole, and here radian and steradian, that same. So these are the symbols. All of you remember these symbols. L means if somewhere L is written, then that is representing the unit of length. If somewhere mass is written, then that is representing unit of mass. If T is written, then it is representing unit of time. If theta or K is written, then it is representing the unit of temperature. Capital A is written, then representing the unit of electric current. CD is written, representing the unit of luminous intensity. And mole is written, representing the unit of amount of substance. This you will remember. Now one more thing. Here, capital L does not mean always 1 meter. It may be 1 meter. It means all units of length can be represented by capital L. All units of mass, whether it is kilogram, whether it is gram, anything, it can be represented by capital M. These are the unit symbols. It's clear? These are the unit symbols. Now see here. Now I am going to explain you dimensions of a physical quantity. What is the meaning of dimensions of a physical quantity? PQ means physical quantity. Physical quantity means which can be measured by some instrument. That is called the physical quantity. So dimensions of a physical quantity are those powers which are raised on the fundamental units to get the derived unit of that quantity. What are the derived units? Derived units are those which are determined by using these units. For example, meter square, meter cube, meter per second, all these are the derived units. It's clear? So see here, dimensions of a physical quantity are those powers which are raised on fundamental units. Fundamental units means units of fundamental quantity. Units of fundamental quantity, which are raised on fundamental units to get derived unit of that physical quantity. See here, all of you remember one more thing. These are the SI units. These are also the fundamental units. It's clear? But centimeter, millimeter, it is a fundamental unit, but it is not a SI unit. It's clear? Similarly, gram, milligram, centigram, these are the fundamental units, but not the SI unit. It's clear? फंडामेंटल यूनिट्स मींस इनकी यूनिट्स, इनकी कोई भी यूनिट, चाहे वो एसआई सिस्टम में हो या सीजीएस सिस्टम में हो या एफपीएस सिस्टम में हो. इट्स क्लियर? सो नाउ यू कैन सी हियर students are joining very late. Now see, now coming over the same thing, dimensions of a physical quantity are those powers which are raised on fundamental units to get the derived unit of that physical quantity. For example, you take a quantity speed. Who can tell the unit of speed? As you know, the formula of speed is distance.
Meter per second.
Meter per
Yes.
meter per second.
Distance upon time. It's clear? Its unit represented by which symbol? Distance. What is
L.
the symbol?
L.
What is the symbol of this?
T.
L upon T. But we will write in this way. LT, when you will take T in
Inverse.
numerator, it LT minus
T
1.
inverse.
It will be LT minus 1. What is the power on L?
3.
There is no power, means
Plus
1
1.
power. Means 1 power. So see here, what will you say? What is the dimension of speed? Its dimension is 1 power on the unit of length and minus 1 power on the unit of time. What is the dimension of speed? Dimension of speed is 1 power on the unit of length and minus 1 power on the unit of time. If you raise these powers, you will get the unit of speed. For example, I have taken the unit of length as kilometer and time is minute. This is the unit of what? This will be the unit of
Speed.
speed. Kilometer per minute. Kilometer per minute. It is clear? So what is the dimension of this physical quantity? Dimension of this physical quantity is 1 power on the unit of length and minus 1 power on the unit of time.
Time.
But it is very much inconvenient to say this sentence. इस sentence को इतना लंबा sentence कहना क्या है, बड़ा inconvenient सा लगता है. So that's why we write the dimension in terms of the dimensional formula. We write the dimension in terms of the dimensional formula. Means instead of saying that the dimension of speed is 1 power on the unit of length and minus 1 power on the unit of time, we will say LT minus 1. We will say LT minus 1. It is communicating the same thing as we have said in the verbal form, जो हमने verbal form में कहा. For example, if you take the density, density is mass upon volume. Mass upon volume. What is the unit of mass?
Kilogram.
kg.
Kilogram.
kg per meter cube.
Meter cube. Now all of you see here. What is the symbol of this unit?
M.
M.
Sir, capital M.
Symbol of this unit.
L.
L.
33.
L.
L.
So you can write it as M upon L cube.
Yes, sir.
When you will take it up, what will be? ML
M.
minus 3. It's clear? Means what is the dimension of density? Its dimension is how many powers on the unit of mass?
1.
Sir, positive 1.
1.
How many powers on the unit of length?
Minus
Minus 3.
3.
Minus 3. How many powers on the unit of time?
0.
0.
Sir,
0.
It is clear? So instead of saying this, that dimension of density is 1 power on the unit of mass and minus 3 power on the unit of length, we will express it by using a formula called dimensional formula. And it is always written inside the pair of bracket, big bracket. We will use big bracket. It's clear? इस bracket के अंदर लिखेंगे. This is clear or not?
Yes,
Now
sir.
you can see here.
Yes, sir.
For example, means if formula is known or that unit is known, then you can deduce the dimensional formula. या तो हमको क्या पता हो, उसका फार्मूला पता हो, या क्या पता हो, यूनिट पता हो, then you can deduce the dimensional formula. Now you can see here universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant. Universal gravitational constant, it is represented by the symbol capital G. You have already studied one Newton's law of universal gravitation. If there are 2 point masses m1 and m2, separated at a distance small r, then what will be the force in between them? It is given by G m1 m2 upon r square. This formula gives the force in between 2 point masses. Force between 2 point masses separated at a distance small r. It is clear. Now you have to find the dimensional formula of capital G. Dimensional formula of capital G. So I you told just now, या तो इसकी यूनिट पता हो या इसका फार्मूला पता हो, then you can deduce the dimensional formula. So what is the formula of capital G from here? When you will find the formula of capital G from here, it will be F R square upon M1 into M2. Whether it is clear? Nivedita, turn off your audio. Nivedita, audio turn off rakha karo. So see here. Before doing this, you see here first. First, you see in this side. What will be dimensional formula of force? Force. So see here, what is the formula of force? Who can tell?
Sir,
Mass
meter
into
per second square.
M into A.
Acceleration.
M into A. Now, what is its unit? What is the unit of force in terms of basic units? Basic units means in MKS system. So see here, M means mass, means kg.
kg
A
meter per
means
second square.
Okay, meter per second square.
meter per second square. Kg meter per second square. Now you translate in terms of the symbols. Kilogram means by which symbol?
M.
M.
Meter means by which symbol?
L.
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 Is clear? Second means by which symbol?
Sir,
T.
capital T.
T.
MLT minus 2.
2.
This will be the dimensional formula of force. Means you take any unit of mass, any unit of time, length, any unit of time, you will get, if you write, if you raise these powers, you will get the unit of force. You will get the unit of force. It's clear? For example, here I have taken mass gram. It is, I have taken gram. Then length we have taken decameter. And time we have taken minutes. This is the unit of force. Gram decameter per minute square is the unit of force. It is clear? So this is the dimensional formula of force. Now see here, you once again come over this. Here, what is the dimensional formula of force? Dimensional formula of force is MLT minus 2.
2.
It's clear?
Yes.
R square. R is what?
Meter.
R is
Length.
L.
Length.
L.
Yes. And length.
So here R square, its unit is L, and since there is a square, therefore it is L square. Divided by M1 and M2 are what?
Mass.
Sir, mass.
Mass. M.
Mass
M2.
unit का symbol
M.
M.
M. M square.
M. It's clear? When you will simplify, what will you get? M minus 1. We don't cancel like this. हम लोग ऐसे कैंसिल नहीं करते इसमें इस तरीके से कैंसिल नहीं किया जाता, बट मीनिंग वही है. So when M will go up, M minus 1, L and L square, that is L cube,
L3.
T minus 2. This will be the dimensional formula of universal gravitational constant. It's clear? Dimensional formula of universal gravitational constant. So it is clear? This thing is clear
Yes,
or
sir.
not?
Yes, sir.
Dimensions of a physical quantity are those powers which are raised under the fundamental units to get the derived unit of that physical quantity. It's clear. Now see here, what is the dimensional formula of work? So dimensional formula of work means F into
Force
Force
into
into
two.
displacement.
Display.
displacement. Force into displacement. It is clear. Now see here. What is force here? Dimensional formula.
MLT
Already we
minus
have deduced MLT minus 2. What is dimensional formula of displacement?
Sir,
L.
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 Length.
L.
Displacement is length or length की unit symbol L
L.
means it will be ml square t minus 2. ml square t minus 2. It is clear?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
What is dimensional
Yes,
formula? Dimensional formula is a short way. It is a short way to express the dimensions of a physical quantity. It's clear? It is a short way in the form of formula to express the dimensions of a physical quantity. And it is always written inside the big bracket. For example, dimensional formula of torque. Moment of force. Who can tell the formula of torque?
Perpendicular
Formula-
distance
Sir, force into
applied.
perpendicular
Force
distance.
into
Yes, tau equals to F into R. What is dimensional formula of force?
MLT minus
MLT.
MLT minus
MLT minus 2. R.
L.
L.
L, sir.
R is distance and distance means so it will be ml squared t minus 2. Now Elisa Mango. Elisa Mango,
Yes, sir.
what is the formula of power?
So work upon time.
It is work upon time. Work upon time. Now see here, what is the dimensional formula of work? It is ml
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 square
minus
T minus 2.
and time
T.
T. T.
is simple T. It's clear? It is a fundamental quantity. Its unit symbol is the dimensional formula. फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज के टर्म्स में जो यूनिट सिंबल होगा वही डायमेंशनल फार्मूला हो जाएगा. That is ml squared t minus 3. When it will go up, it will be this. Now see here, what is the dimensional formula of mass?
M.
Mass क्या हो जाएगा?
M1.
M.
m. हमने अभी बताया ना, जितनी भी फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज है उनका यूनिट सिंबल विल बी द डायमेंशनल फार्मूला. व्हाट इज द डायमेंशनल फार्मूला ऑफ टाइम?
T.
Sir, T.
व्हाट इज द डायमेंशनल फार्मूला ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक करंट?
A.
A.
Sir, A.
कैपिटल A. It's clear? What is the dimensional formula of temperature?
Capital
A.
Theta.
Sir, K.
It will be theta. It's clear? Now you can some more quantities. So by this way you will determine the dimensional formula. Now see here. Now I have taken angle. What is the formula of angle? It is arc upon radius.
radius.
Arc upon radius. Clear? This is the formula of angle. Means how will you find angle? See here, this is an arc. Arc means part of circumference of any circle or any curve. कोई भी कर्व होगा उसके circumference का part. Now it subtend how much angle at the center. You will join this point and this point with the O. So this angle which form towards the arc, जो आर्क की तरफ बन रहा है, ये होगा एंगल. एंड व्हाट विल बी इट्स मेजर? एंगल इक्वल्स टू आर्क अपॉन रेडियस, मींस इट्स लेंथ अपॉन इट्स लेंथ. रेडियस क्या हो जाएगा? सेंटर से सरकमफ्रेंस, दैट इज कॉल्ड द रेडियस. मतलब इसकी लेंथ डिवाइडेड बाय इसकी लेंथ. सो व्हाट इज द यूनिट ऑफ आर्क? हु कैन टेल?
Sir, radian. 180 by pi radian.
इट विल बी मीटर. जब हम लेंथ कर रहे हैं मतलब क्या हो जाएगा? मीटर मतलब
मीटर.
एल.
L.
रेडियस इट इज आल्सो
L.
एल.
L.
मीन्स कैंसिल, सो इट विल बी L0. It will be L0 and we can write it as M0 L0 T0. It is a what type of quantity? Dimensionless quantity. Dimensionless quantity. It is having no dimension. Is clear? That's why one arbitrary unit has been assigned to it, and that arbitrary unit is radian. इसको एक arbitrary unit दी गई है. वो arbitrary unit का नाम क्या है? Radian है, which I have told in the previous videos. It's clear? Now you can see here, there is one more term. Strain. Strain is change in length upon original length. Change in length. This you will study in chapter of elasticity. Upon original length. Now see here. This numerator you will express in which unit? Numerator को
L.
किस यूनिट में रिप्रेजेंट करेंगे?
L.
Who can tell?
L.
मीटर में. डिनोमिनेटर
Meter. L.
Meter.
Dimensionless.
So see here, change in length upon original length. So change in length, it is meter, that is L upon L means L0. Means it is a dimensionless quantity. It is a dimensionless quantity. It is clear? Now one more I am going to explain. Universal gas constant. Universal gas constant. Now one more thing. Before this I have told universal gravitational constant. What is the meaning of universal constant? Universal constant whose
It doesn't
value
change.
always remain fixed. Whose value always remain fixed. Whose value don't change. जिसकी वैल्यू चेंज ना हो वो क्या कहलाता है? यूनिवर्सल कांस्टेंट. Whether acceleration due to gravity is a universal constant?
Yes, no, sir.
No, sir.
It is not a universal constant. Why? Because its value changes place to place. Its value changes place to place. But the universal gravitational constant, universal gas constant, its symbol is what? Capital R. It's clear. These are the universal constants. Now you have heard this equation, ideal gas equation. Gas equation. Ideal gas equation, PV equals to N into R into T. P is what?
Pressure.
Pressure. V is what?
Volume.
Volume.
N is what?
Number of
Number
moles.
of moles.
Mm.
R is what? Already I have told. And T is what? Temperature.
Temperature.
Temperature. We have to deduce the dimensional formula of capital R. So you make the formula of capital R. Capital R equals to PV upon N into T.
V.
So first you find out the dimensional formula of pressure. Pressure equals to, who can tell what is the formula of pressure?
Thrust
Force
upon
upon
area.
Area.
Force upon area. What is the dimensional formula of force?
MLT minus 2.
MLT minus 2. MLT minus 2. Area. Rahul
L
Tilke.
square.
L square.
L square. Rahul Tilke, are you present or not? Absent है. ये absent रहते हैं तब. When you will take it up, it will be ml minus 1 t minus 2. ml minus 1 t minus 2. It is clear?
Yes.
So see here. ml minus 1 t minus 2. Then volume, what will be the dimensional formula?
L3.
L cube.
L cube. Then what is dimensional formula of N? It is
Sir, mole.
number of moles. Moles are the fundamental quantity, unit. Mole is the fundamental unit. And here unit symbol is this. We will use this one. Already I have told. And T is temperature. That is theta.
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 Now you simplify. So it will be M. It's clear. यहाँ पर ये वाला साइन बना लिया. L minus 1, L3 means L square. T minus 2 upon this. Then theta minus 1. Mole minus
1.
It's clear. This is the dimensional formula. So this is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So listen
Yes,
here.
sir, clear.
I don't have the new book, not that the book which is in your school is prescribed. Means the school book I don't have. Here this is the old book. In that book there is a table, and in your book also there is the table. It's clear. हमने फोटो स्टेट पेजेस भेजे थे, पर अब बुक हमारे पास नहीं है, वो किसी के पास चली गई. So listen here. From that table, you do the practice of dimensional formula. It's clear? There is a table you can see. Have you got the book or not?
No, sir. No, sir.
अभी मार्केट में बुक नहीं है, बट हमने क्या है फोटो स्टेट भेजा. So you don't get the photocopy of all the pages, because it is possible that after few days you get the book. So you take out the 8 to 10 pages, 8 to 10 pages of this chapter. इस chapter के कुछ शुरुआत के pages photocopy करवा. It's clear? And then you go through that. So today I have told you. Then tomorrow once again you will connect in the Zoom class. This chapter I will teach you through the Zoom class. It's clear? So have you got this thing, these things or not? ये चीजें
Yes, sir.
समझ में आई कि नहीं?
Yes, sir.
Right, sir.
This is a very, very important chapter. Previous chapter was totally theoretical. In that chapter, what was described, what was told to you, taught to you, that what is fundamental quantity, what are the derived quantities, what are the fundamental units, and then SI units, definition of SI units. SI units के definitions को explain किया गया था. It is clear? So now this chapter I will teach through the Zoom class. So if you don't have the book, if you have not got the book, so either you take the book from the students of previous year, means that last year's book. It's clear? Last year की बुक ले लें, या क्या है जो अब की बुक प्रेस्क्राइब की गई है उसके पेजेज की फोटो कॉपी करवा लें, तभी ढंग से समझ में आएगा. This chapter
Sir,
is
what was
very
the
very
dimension
important.
for the amount of, sir, what was the dimension for number of moles?
Number of moles, it is mole, it is a fundamental quantity and fundamental unit. आए समझे? हमने बताया ना, जितनी भी फंडामेंटल क्वांटिटीज हैं उनके लिए डायमेंशनल फार्मूला क्या हो जाएगा, उनकी यूनिट सिंबल ही हो जाएगा. तो जैसे यहाँ पर आया था नंबर ऑफ मोल्स, तो क्या डायमेंशनल फार्मूला हो गया, मोल हो गया. है यू गॉट? इसको शार्ट में नहीं लिखते, कहीं कहीं पर MOL लिख देते हैं, उतना ठीक है ना. सो दिस इज क्लियर. सो नाउ आई एम इंडिंग.
Yes, sir.
और सभी लोगों को अटेंड करना है. इफ यू डोंट अटेंड यू विल लूज योर अटेंडेंस.